Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to flush Ram 2500 heater core, easy method. Begin by draining the cooling system and locating the heater core hoses at the firewall. Disconnect the inlet hose and cap the fittings to prevent spills as you prepare your flushing setup. Use a garden hose with moderate pressure to push water through the core until it runs clear. Reconnect hoses, refill coolant, bleed air, and test heat output carefully. Start by organizing your workspace and laying out tools for easy access while flushing the heater core. Use a drip pan under the vehicle to catch expelled coolant and a towel to protect painted surfaces. Choose a hose adapter that fits snugly on the heater inlet to avoid leaks during flushing. Keep fresh coolant and a funnel nearby so you can refill and bleed the system promptly after confirming the heater core flows clear. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a clean, long-lasting scent after you finish your heater core job. It keeps the cab smelling great while you enjoy warm air. Look in the description for the link and other deals I found. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Begin with the vehicle cooled and the radiator cap removed, then drain some coolant to lower the level below the heater hose connections. Disconnect the inlet hose at the firewall and attach your hose or flush tool, directing flow opposite normal coolant direction. Continue flushing until clear water flows out, then reconnect, refill with the correct coolant mix, and run the engine with the heater on while bleeding air until stable temperature and solid heat output return.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.